Hi there, this is Chris Keller with MusicGrid.com, and we're going to take a brief look at the new holding page widget from MusicGrid.com. So first off, let's zoom out here and see what we've got. We've put together this widget page to help you create a quick starting page for your customers. So you can grab this, change the colors, change the background, and give them a starting page for the website while you're building their website. Very quick and easy to do. You can add their information about the site, some contact details and so on, so at least they've got something while they're waiting for you to complete the project. We've made it very simple and straightforward for you to work with. We have this new help layer in our layers palette. If we switch that on, you can see that what we've done is we've annotated everything on the page for you to see what each part does and get the information you need to make those changes. So first off, let's change the background. So we're going to go into switch our content layer so that it's unlocked, and we'll switch that overlay off. I'll go into our master page here, and we're going to change out this background image. So I'm going to click on browser fill and then go to my desktop, choose this new golf image, and that's that done. Go back to our master page here, and we can see that those colors work okay, but we're going to modify those colors anyway. So we're going to pull out some colors of this background image so that it works better with the site. So first off, we're going to go to our color palette here, our swatches, and we're going to choose color 1, and we're going to modify this color so that we don't have to click into the individual elements to change the colors. We can change the colors here. So right clicking on the color, go to swatch options, then choose our color picker tool here, and we're going to choose this dark green. Then we're going to go in and we're going to choose color number 2, swatch options, and let's go for slightly lighter green here. We're going to go through greens with this, swatch options again, and we're going to keep pulling out these gradients of colors so they match in nicely, and swatch options. Let's pull out this nice bright green. Let's change that middle one there to just something slightly darker. So we're going to pull it down a bit just so that we've got some. There we go. And then finally this last color. Seeing as it's a dark color there, we're going to choose that dark color again. So now we have our nice colored items here. Everything looks great. We can change this. Let's change this to the do that. The golf. If I could spell, that would help. And we can cycle through and we can see that everything's set up nicely here. Now if we wanted to change these icon colors, we can do that quite easily in the effects panel here. We could switch on this overlay here. Let's change up to 100. And what we've done here is we've got an inner glow running with, we'll set that to 250. And we've got a color overlay and then the opacity. So what actually happens is the entire image then gets filled with the color. Let's bring this up to 100% now so that we can see it. We've got nice and clear there. And obviously we'd want to go into this form here and change the email address to something else. Let's preview this in the browser. So now we have our nice holding page here, and we have the different sections that people can click on to get more information about social media links and contact information, and it's only taken us a few minutes to do so. So hope you like the widget and enjoy using it. Once you've downloaded, of course, you can use it as many times as you like, and it's a great way of giving your clients something to look at while you're building their site. Thanks for watching.